Learn Bosnian. Can you, equals.
Možeš li?
Welcome. Hey you, ready to level up your Bosnian? This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today we unlock polite requests with the phrase,
Možeš li?
you're friendly, can you? In the Ch.22 form. Expect laughs, quick wins, and phrases you'll actually use, no dusty grammar caves, just shiny tools. Your goal today. Your mission is simple and super useful. By the end, you'll use informal, you.
Možeš li?
Formal, plural, you.
Možete li?
And can I? Question mark single quote.
Mogu li?
Keywords you'll hear.
Molim.
Please.
Pomoć.
Help.
Otvoriti.
To open.
Sačekati.
To wait. Clap the rhythm. Let's make the words dance so they stick. 2-beat chant. Možeš li. Možeš li. Need a hand or maybe 3? Say.
Možeš li?
Please help me. Mini dialogues. Drop into quick scenes and repeat aloud. You, can you, to help, with this box?
Možeš li? Pomoći s ovom kutijom.
You, can you, to open the window, please?
Možeš li? Otvoriti prozor, molim.
You, can you, to wait a minute?
Možeš li? Sačekati minut.
At dinner, can you, to pass the salt?
Možeš li? Dodati so.
Class whisper, can you, to lend a pen?
Možeš li? Posuditi olovku.
Comedy break. A cat by the door with a tiny sign.
Možeš li? Otvoriti vrata.
Even cats ask politely. Forms. Keep it polite. Choose the form that fits your situation. You, informal, one person.
Možeš li?
You, formal or plural.
Možete li?
I, asking permission.
Mogu li?
We.
Možemo li?
Pro tip. Don't confuse.
Možeš.
You can, with.
Možda.
Maybe. Rapid fire drills. Repeat fast in the do mindset, short, confident, friendly. Me, open the window. You.
Možeš li? Otvoriti prozor, molim.
Me, wait a minute. You.
Možeš li? Sačekati minut.
Me, bring water. Formal to a waiter.
Možete li? Donijeti vodu.
Me, help me, please. You.
Možeš li? Pomoći mi, molim.
Me, can I borrow a pen? You.
Mogu li? Posuditi olovku.
Travel snap at Starry Most.
Možeš li? Fotografisati nas.
Exaggeration moment. A tiny feather is too heavy until you ask.
Možeš li?
And a giant lifts it with one finger. Culture tip. Sound natural and kind in Bosnia. With friends, use.
Možeš li?
With elders or staff, go formal.
Možete li?
Add.
Molim.
And a friendly tone, like a gentle knock. Avoid.
Ne možeš li?
Unless you want a stronger, confrontational vibe. Cafe ritual.
Možeš li? Donijeti čaj.
Mnemonic. Mose equals, it's possible, so.
Možeš li?
Equals, is it possible for you? Quick quiz. Ready? Answer aloud and then check yourself. Q. How do you say, can you? In Bosnian? A.
Možeš li?
Q. The formal, could you? Form? A.
Možete li?
Q. Complete. Blank, Atvoriti, Prozor? A.
Možeš li?
Q. Odd one out.
Možeš li? Možete li? Mogu li? Hvala.
A.
Hvala.
Not a request pattern. Q. True or false.
Možeš li?
Can be used to ask for.
Pomoć.
A. True. Your daily challenge. Tiny actions equals big gains. Use.
Možeš li?
3 times today. Stick a note on your door.
Možeš li?
Loci method unlocked. Anchor with senses. Smell coffee and ask.
Možeš li? Donijeti šećer.
Taste a salty chip and say.
Možeš li? Dodati so.
Reward yourself with a smile every time you use it. Thanks and see you. You did awesome, high five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Možeš li? Možete li?
And.
Mogu li?
In everyday moments. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, da dum.
Možeš li?
Da dum, speak with a smile.